I'm going to show you today how to create a spinner pop-up form on for your website. So come into your Flodesk account and come across to the audience section. The first thing you need to do is create a segment to attach the form to. So we'll come across here to segments and we'll create a new segment, and we're going to call it spinner form. Choose a color and create the segment. The segment basically just gives, it's like a housing unit for all your subscribers to be put into that piece of the pie together. So when we segment our audience, we can really hone in and personalize and get super specific with our marketing. So when you want to talk directly to the people, only the people that have used your spinner form, that's the segment you use. So now that we've created the segment for the spinner form, we will come across the top menu here to forms, and we will create a new form. And you can see in the menu on the left here, there's a spinner form option. So you can scroll through and have a look at the different designs and choose one that will suit you and your branding. So you can have a look through all of them. It's worth noting too, though, that even though these designs are all different, you can customize within the form. So I'm going to choose this one. And this is where it will ask you to attach it to a segment. So you can see here that the spinner segment I just created is there. And we're going to start creating the form. This is the editor where you come in and edit the actual form. So have a think about what you want people to do with your spinner form. Are you giving a percentage off? Are you offering a coupon code? Are you offering, 1, 2, or 3 different things? So when you click onto the actual spinner, you will see the options pop up here on the left. You will choose what the spinner will land on, so it's not random. You'll choose what it is, and then you choose the other options to display. So $5 off, 20% off, or 10% off. And then you choose you can also change the style of the spinner. So you can see here that you can change it into more of a flower shape or more of a snowflake shape, or you can just do pieces of the pie, and then you can change all the colors as well to your brand colors. I'm going to just keep it as this, and then also you can click over and change the font color, the font type, spacing, and all that kind of stuff as well. Then once you set up the actual spinner, you can click over to here and you can play with the heading and description here. And then if you click into the email form, you can add a field here if you want to collect their first name as well. I always do that as a default just because it helps us to personalize those emails that are going to go out once they're on your list. So personalization is a really nice little touch that I always add to all of my forms. And then I'm just going to reorder that so that the first name field is first, and then the email field after. You can again change your fonts and your colors, and then your button, you can change the style here as well as with all the forms, the fill color, the border color, etc. So once you've designed your form, then you come across to how you want to deliver. So let's say, just for this tutorial, that we're going to end up giving $5 off. So on the decide how you want to deliver that. It could be a coupon, and if you want to deliver that coupon, you could have it pop up on the screen once they click spin the wheel, so that they can use it immediately on your website. So if we go across to the top here to the thank you tab, you can add a custom success message with a code. So you would have to set up a coupon code from your website and pop the code in here. Or so you can type your success message and you can type your code. So if the code was winner, I could just type it in there, and then they would type winner into the checkout and get their $5 off. Or we can, if you're sending them something else like a checklist or something like that, then you can have the success message after they've spun the wheel to say, check your email. And then what you would do after you've done this is go back to your workflow section of Flodesk and create a workflow that then delivers those emails. Check out my other video for how to create a basic workflow in Flodesk, and then you can see how to deliver the prize that they've won with the spinner wheel. I hope that's been helpful. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other YouTube videos to find out how to do other fabulous Flodesk stuff.